Welcome to Fair Tutorial. Let's make this simple mechanical component design in SolidWorks. We are in SolidWorks now. Go to the file, new, part, okay. Now select the top plane, sketch, then draw a rectangle. Something like this. Then draw a center line. Something like this. Then draw a line here. And okay. Go to the mirror entities, select this line, mirror about, and okay. Go to the trim entities like this, and okay. Go to the smart dimension, and this dimension is 65, and this dimension is 20. This dimension is 45, okay, and this dimension is 34, okay. Go to the display and fully define sketch, calculate, and okay. So what is this? So they centered from here, okay, no problem. And this dimension is also, so the sketch is fully defined. Go to the feature, extrude base, and it is 8 mm. And okay. And select this position, sketch, go to the 3-point rectangle, and like this. Go to the smart dimension, and it is 8. Go to the feature, extrude base, and this dimension is 30. Go select this portion, sketch, go to the center line like this, okay. Go to the circle and draw a circle here, smart dimension, and this dimension is 10, okay, and the distance from here to here is 20, okay. Go to the feature, extrude cut, okay. So select this portion, fill it like this, and this portion like this, and okay. So select this portion again, sketch, go to the corner rectangle like this, go to the smart dimension, and this dimension is 8. Go to the feature, extrude base up to 40, and okay. Select this portion and sketch. Go to the center line again, and I have to select something like this and make it for construction, okay. Go to the circle and draw a circle. Go to the smart dimension, and this dimension is 15, okay, and we have to select this edge. So select this portion and this line, and this dimension is 20, and okay. Go to the feature, extrude cut, and make it solid, and okay. So go to the fillet, so select this edge and this edge, and this dimension is 70, okay, and close. So select this portion again, sketch, draw a center line, okay, draw a circle here, okay. Go to the smart dimension, and this dimension is 9, and this dimension is 8, and the distance from this end to this end is 22, and the distance from this end to this end is 17. Okay, go to the mirror entities, select this circle, mirror about here, and okay. So distance from this end to this end is 10. So the sketch is fully defined. Go to the feature, extrude cut, and okay. So our 3D model is fully ready. So go to the appearances, and we will go to the metal, and this time we will use the copper, and we will use this copper like this and make it full body. So I hope you like this tutorial. Please support my channel. You will get a lot tutorial regarding 3D modeling, animation, and video editing on this channel. Thank you for watching.